Good day everyone. So I'm Maria Samantha M. Castro and especially my professor in labor, Sir Paranga. So today I will discuss the vision in union in labor. So your vision as a union leader in advocating the employees' rights. As a union leader, my vision is to build a strong, united workforce where every employee is empowered, respected, and given a fair opportunity to thrive. I believe in a workplace where workers' voices are not just heard but actively shape policies that ensure dignity, equity, and security for all. I envision a future where fair wages and benefits are guaranteed, ensuring that workers are compensated justly for their labor. Second is job security and protection are upheld, preventing unjust layoffs and ensuring due process in all employment matters. Third is safe and healthy work environment are a standard, not a privilege, with employers held accountable for worker well-being. Next is collective bargain power. Is strengthened, ensuring that workers have a direct role in shaping policies that impact their lives. Next is workplace discrimination and harassment are eradicated, fostering our inclusive culture where diversity is embraced. Next is professional growth and development. Are prioritized providing employees with access to education, training, and career advancement. And last is solidarity and worker empowerment. Drive every decision, ensuring that no employee stands alone in their struggles. And that's all. Thank you.